Hi, welcome to MetaHomes. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to manage your listings on our platform. First, click on Agent Center. Here, you'll see your dashboard, which includes Manage Listings, where you can update and edit your properties. Daily keeps track of potential client inquiries. Insights show how well your listings are performing, and My Team. This displays the number of people in your agency account. Now, you might be wondering, why should you manage your listings? Here's why: to fix mistakes. If you made an error in the title, description, pricing, or any other details while uploading, you can correct it without deleting the listing. Better visibility and engagement. Updated listings rank higher in search results, increasing your chances of attracting potential buyers or renters. Higher chances of conversion. Listings with recent photos, accurate pricing, and detailed descriptions get more serious inquiries. Avoid wasted leads. If a listing is outdated or unavailable, you may get irrelevant inquiries, wasting both your time and the client's. Build credibility. Active agents who regularly update their listings appear more professional and trustworthy. MetaHomes uses a scoring system to rank listings. For example, here you can see that this listing has a score of 20 on 100, while this has 10 on 100. If you look closely, you realize that this other one has 5 on 100 and then this one has 0 on 100. The better your listing, the higher it will rank. Let's now go through how to update your property details. Select the property you want to update and click on it. Then click Update. Click the Edit button so that you can gain access to make changes. Right here, you can change the emirate, community, or subcommunity if needed. Always save your changes after editing each section. Update the title. Your title should be between 55 to 60 characters to score well. Improve the description. A good description should have at least 250 words and include relevant keywords. Update property features. To make any changes in this section down here, you have to click the Edit button to have editing permission. Here, you add details like landmarks, views, and amenities, in case your property has any. Save after making changes. Modify pricing. Since real estate prices fluctuate, regularly check and update your listing's price. This is to ensure that you are not pricing too much or leaving cash on the table. Also, you can change the currency from this small toggle bar. You can either select US dollar, United Arab Emirates dirham, or Chinese yuan. Once you've done all the necessary changes, save it. Click Submit. MetaHomes will review your updates to ensure they meet platform guidelines. If everything is correct, your property will be updated with the recent changes. And that's it. Managing your listings helps you stay competitive and attract the right buyers or renters. Keep your listings updated to get the best results. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.